Hey YouTube, so now we're moving on to features. So now we're doing, so what we're going to do is just build something like let's build a cube, right? Okay. So really you should, it's good so when you build things, you're obviously going to dimension. So let's just say 20 and we'll make this, I just press escape, and we'll make these equal. So what I did was I just hold control and I clicked this line and this line and then I made them equal so it became a box. Cool. Now we can exit sketch. It's good practice to label your sketches, so let's just call this base. Oh yeah, so you see how the lines are black? That means it's fully defined. So if it's blue, then it's underdefined. So that means like you got some relation that's not so basically it means that your sketch can move. Alright, so first skill in the features is extrude. So what you do is just click on your sketch and extrude the sketch just like that. Let's just make it 5 mil. So now you got your cube, I guess, your solid cube. You can also build on top of it. So say you want to sketch on this this face here. So what you do is just left click and then sketch. You know what, let's make a cylinder. And then so you do a circle, you dimension it. Let's make it 10 mil in diameter. Yep, click the OKs. One thing you'll know about Solidworks is like extremely user friendly, so everything's just intuitive. And there we go. Now we got a cylinder on top of a block. Yep, I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you got any problems or queries. Ring the bell, share with your friends. Until next time, see ya.